Friends, if you have done the previous lecture, single English, all the programs, so it is very easy to understand it. Okay. So again, I will say I never change the lines. Okay. You have to add some lines in our program so you can understand. Okay. And if we will come in the circular link list or another BST, okay, another link list, at that time also we will change only 2 or 3 lines. Okay, same program we will teach you. So here in this program I will show you something. Again I will tell you the program, the single link list program. This is the single link list program, and if you want to insert this program and this program, both are changed, W link list. Okay, we never change line because data structure totally based on space and time complexity. Okay, we will teach you only this time, only 3 line. You can see in the link list there was 2 line and here only 3 line. We have add only 1 line whenever you want to add a node at beginning. Okay, so now we will start it now. Insert a new node. At first you must understand what is the structure of doubly linked list. Okay, before in the previous lecture we added 3 nodes. The first was 10, second was 20 and third was 30. Let the address was 6656 and second node address is 7576, third node address is 8666, and the PRV link was null, and next link the address of this it is storing here and address of this is storing here, then the address of this is storing here and the address of this is storing here. I think that you are getting now. So add at begin. Suppose you want to add a node at begin, means position is equal to 0, means position is equal to 0 in your program. So now create a node. At first you have to create a node. When you will create a node, then you can add a new node. Okay, so what is the line? Same line, no changes. P is equal to struct node star malloc size of struct node, same. Scanf you will put one data. Suppose the data is 100, then p dot prv link is null, p dot next link is equal to null, means this is also null and this is also null. Okay, let the address is equal to 9999. Okay, now our target, we have to add this 100. We have to add this 100 before the head. Okay, it means that we have to remove this head, meaning it means that we have to remove this head, and this null here we have written star, we have to change. Before the previous link was not pointing to any other node. Now our target, we have to write one address here. Okay, and we will change this head, and whatever we will add, that will be head. This is your final answer. How? This is the structure. You can see this is the 100, the address of 10. The address of 10 was 6656. You can see here. You must open your book. Okay, same. Okay, so what is our target? What is our target? This address we have to store here, and this address we have to store here. Okay, before it was head, now I will say this is head. Done. Done. Now how? The program only 3 line. P dot next link. What is P? You created this P. Okay, this, it's a next link, means this. You have to write something here. Okay, you have to write something here. P dot next link is equal to head, means the address of head will go to P dot next link. What is the address of head? Address of head is 6656. So this will store here. Getting? This will store here, means 6656 will come here. You can see 6656, it has come here. Done. Okay, now next, head dot prv link is equal to P. Compiler will read from here. So this another line we have add only. In the single link list, double link list, we have add only 1 line. Both program are same. The address of P. Okay, what is P? P is this, means 9999. This 9999 will store head dot prv link. What is head? What is head? Head is this. Its previous link is this. So here you have to add 9999. Done. Done. Okay. You can see done. We have, sorry, 2 times. What is the problem? Okay, so this address, it has come here. Done. After then you have to write P is equal to head. Now this is head. Now this is head. Done. So you have attached the new node at beginning. So only 3 or 4 line in your CAT exam also you have to write only this figure. Okay, you have to explain. You have to write only this. This is the algorithm, 3-line algorithm. You will get full marks. This is our guarantee. Okay, if you run the program, then it will also work. Don't think that it will not work. All the program. This is 3, suppose, and suppose the first value 10, then after then 20, then after then 30. You can see the value. Okay, and suppose you want to add position is equal to 1. Suppose I want to add 100. So you can see we have written 1, so it is coming 100. If you write 0, because here we are working 0. Okay, so again I will write this is 10, then after then 20, then after then 30, then your value. Now position is 0, suppose. Okay, suppose you want to add 100. You can see 100, it has come here. Okay, 100, it has come here. Very, very simple. I think that you understand. Thank you so much.